inside here, all this was rotted out completely when I bought it. Obviously, for since 1974. So I taught myself how to sew. A couple things on YouTube, and so you actually have this is the blackout portion. Then you have the weather portion that you pull down, and now you have a screen to give you more ventilation. There's 4 windows in here. There was 4 windows when in the old one, so I added 4 windows. This top piece of Velcro right here is for a winter version. You can put a piece of an insulation piece that goes all the way around. Basically, it's just one of those kind of aluminum looking tinfoil looking things you can buy at Home Depot that has the poppets on it, plastic air stuff, and I just sewn Velcro on each side. It goes all the way around. And then if you don't want it to be all the way open, you can just fold it like a little bit and then just Velcro it so it's halfway open. And then I bought a desk so that it was the same age era of the trailer. And so this is the 2 drawers for the top of the desk, and these are all the drawers for the bottom of the desk. So the 2 drawers for the top of the desk is a pantry that pulls out, and you can store like your food and stuff while you're camping. And it's very narrow. There's not a lot of space in here, so you really need to have a place to put stuff. And so this is on a lock, so when you're going, you can't pull it out unless you pull this, and you can't push it in unless you push that. So it's on a lock, so as you're traveling, this can never come open. Each one of these drawers is magnetized so that they don't come open. There's a magnet on the bottom and a big washer on the inside to keep it from, they're kind of tough to open a little bit and to keep them from flying open while you're driving. And I did a lot of off-roading yesterday, and I didn't have anything open. So you just store your food in here. The only thing that came open while I was off-roading was this extra little table that you use for, little things while you're in here. There's nothing holding that in. And these are all on, I was trying different kinds. This is on a magnet, and then this one is on child locks. So you can see that one works. And then this is the toilet right here. To flush it, you just push a button and water goes in, and then you just push this valve right here to flush it, and it works just like a porta potty, but a lot nicer than a porta potty. This is the solar brain that runs everything. It has a 1500 watt capacity. So if you want to run like a small electrical appliance, you just push the on button right here to turn the inverter on. And then you've got cords right here that you can plug into, and then you've got another one right there. And this is where all the water tank and everything is, where the water pump is to turn the water pump on. And this is if you wanted to see what your voltage is. 13.5 right now. A little bit ago it was 13.1, so the solar panels have increased the battery capacity charge a little bit since a few minutes ago because it's really sunny out. This is a special fire extinguisher for lithium-ion batteries. So that's LiPo batteries have a, if they ever catch fire, they're really hard to put out. So that's in there. And then inside, I built all new frame. This is all out of aluminum. This is so I can make down this slides out for just one bed. Comes out to here, and then you can make this down into a twin. If you want to sleep a queen, I made it bigger and longer than the original trailers. So you could have a queen sleep this way and this way. So this is all a queen. This slides around. It's on a slide. This has to be removed and put down here for your support for your queen size bed. And I also put a chair glide in here so you can. There we go. So this slides back and forth, and then you also can swivel the thing all the way around. in any direction that you want to go. This pops off here and here to remove it, and then it sits right here. It's the perfect size to go from here to here to make down the queen bed. These just slide over, and then you got one full queen bed. These are the storage compartments. These are just regular outside RV doors. And I did everything aluminum, not wood, for that purpose, just to be able to have these. And then obviously these are wood supports for the roof, and that's basically how it was originally. It had those in there, but these are different ones, of course. And then I've got, you know, some reading lights up here, and a thing to store my glasses. And that's pretty much the trailer. If you want to come in, you can take a picture from that way back. And then I also have a Bouge RV 35 quart fridge that goes down in there in that cubby. I decided that I don't necessarily like the fridge inside all the time unless it was really cold outside or bad weather, because I don't like the fan coming on and off all night. It wakes me up. So I put my fridge out on the front, and that's a much bigger fridge. And so I do put a cooler in here, one that won't leak and won't tip over, just because I like my Diet Cokes to be super, super cold.